On each page, you're going to see that there is a key on top. It's going to show you what part of the picture in the corner should be what color, and there's going to be a letter and a number on the right-hand corner. You're going to write that letter and number on the back of your paper starting out. Then you're going to come over to the key and look. You can see up here on my page, it says that white is yellow. I wrote it here, but then I realized that was a bad idea. So what I'm going to go in and I'm going to mark all the spaces that are supposed to be yellow. So in that little picture on the left-hand side, I'm looking at all of the white spaces that are in that picture and marking it on the big picture. For the green, all of the black in the in the left upper hand corner, all of the black spaces are going to be green and all of the polka dot spaces are going to be black. I'm then going in and outlining all of the different spaces with the color that they're supposed to be. Each key is going to look different. Everybody has a different sheet, and so your key is going to be different than somebody else's. Take your time to make sure you get the keys right, because we're putting all of these together at the end, and if we get the colors wrong, it's going to look funny. You can see I'm going in here and I'm coloring. If you feel like your marker is kind of drying out, you can flip it to, rotate the marker to the other side, and usually there'll be more ink on that side of the marker. It might look a little streaky as you work. If you feel like one part is lighter, then you can always go back in and add more ink. Now I'm working on the yellow part here. You can see that I'm outlining all of my letters just to make sure I have nice clean borders first. For some reason, I feel like the yellow markers, they lose ink a lot faster than the other colors. But just kind of power through and rotate that marker and work to get the most ink out of it that you can. Because this is actually a brand new marker that I was using fresh out of the box and I still felt like it was lacking ink. The black markers, on the other hand, I feel like they do really well with the color distribution. So again, just outlining those letters, making sure I have nice clean borders there. And you can see here, I gave my yellow marker a little break because I felt like it was really dry. And now it's coloring great again now that I've given it a few minutes. I want to go and darken up my letter and my number on the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out along that scissor line on the border. This is going to make a nice finished colored square that we can use for our